Want to control the speed of your clip? You can do so using the velocity mapper. To create a clip like this, start by dragging this keyframe up to increase the initial speed of the clip. Use the vertical nudge arrows to fine-tune the velocity. Move to the first beat of the song and add a keyframe. Drag it down to slow down the clip. Move ahead on the timeline. A few pro tips. Tap left or right on the timeline to move frame by frame. And for a closer look at the velocity, pinch with your fingers to zoom into the graph, then drag left or right. Now add another keyframe. Use the horizontal nudge arrows to line the keyframe up to the beat marker. To reverse the clip, drag the keyframe below the zero grid line. The blue line indicates the clip is going in reverse. The red at the end indicates the clip has frozen, as there is nothing left for it to play. To remove the red line, move up the keyframe. Once your keyframes are set, choose an interpolation style. Nearest frame will pause at the current video frame until it gets closer to the next frame. Blend frames will blend the current and next frames together to create a smooth look. Faster and Better Mixer use Apple's optical flow model to create a synthetic image in between existing video frames. Better Mixer will take longer to process. Please note that Mixer is only available on devices running iOS 14 or later. To remove a keyframe, tap on it, then delete it. Tap here to delete all keyframes. Like this setup but want to try another clip? Tap this button to select a different video. You can choose one already in the scene, or tap here to import a video from the Photos app. The chosen video can be any length, and importing a longer video gives more frames to work with. When you tap Done, the final video will be the length of the scene. To share the setup with your friends, tap here to save a QR code. With the Adjust Audio feature enabled in VideoStar settings, both the speed and pitch of the clip's audio will be adjusted by default. Tap the lock icon to unlock the speed and pitch, and only the speed of the audio will be adjusted. When finished, tap Create.